Hey, what's popular? It's your boy Chopper with the gang, just barking at y'all. Ain't too much popping right now, just doing this little video, you know what I'm saying? Big and back, you know what I'm saying, right now. Well, my dog Paper Chase, he over there doing something right now, but shit, I'm just big and back being bull, just bound and hunting, you know what it is, posted at the Beehive. But shit, I know what I'm saying, I want to say something to all you fake ass dogs out there. You niggas ain't dogs, bro. You niggas ain't no dogs, man. Y'all niggas know y'all ain't blood, man. Y'all rocking them bandanas, man, and throwing up sets and signs. Y'all don't know what the shit represent, man. But enough of that shit, man. Man, just bored, fucking around, shit. Fuck around. Fuck it. Fuck you, fuck your drama, fuck your life, fuck your mama. Fuck the day you was born on. Fuck the day that you die. Fly. Fly with me and get shitted on. Hello. Goodbye.